Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to download shop applications on your device. Watch the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's begin. Shopee Private Limited is a Singaporean multinational technology company that focuses mainly on e-commerce. In order to download Shopee, you can simply go to your Play Store for your Android, and you can visit your App Store for your iOS device. Search for Shopee in the search box, and soon after you do that, you'll be able to find the application in the search results. If you don't find it there, you can simply go visit your web browser and type in Shopee Download App. After you do that, you'll be able to see numerous search results appearing on your display. You can download the application according to your location. Tap on any search result that matches your location, and then you can go ahead and download it on your device. You can also download this application, which is called Aptoid, and once you tap that app, go to the search button at the bottom and search for Shopee from the search result. Tap on this application right here and simply tap on the install button. If your location supports the application, then you'll be able to find it in the Play Store App Store. If not, you'll need to download the third-party application and then search for Shopee. Wait for the download to finish. Now go to your settings from the pop-up end, tap on Allow from this source, and then go back. Now tap on the install button, and then you are done download. In the app, simply tap it open, and there you go. That is how you can easily download Shopee application on your Android device. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.